Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Haka arpnyo tring naitung jingpynkupbor ya kasap ka phong bat ki kam jong ki Samla rengkat ki ken hun seng haka jala da umentri rang ba ka jala konrat ke sangma. Ula pelai baru ia ka youth engagement through Empower Youth Organization YESS program ban jingpynkupbor ya ki Samla ka jala haka liang baper ya ka bala penlong ha hotel Panwood Shillong. Ukonrat ke sangma ubalalong ukongsan haka te kasngi ulaong baka jingya yo bentalang jong ka imlang salang leng ba ki ken hun baper ki senglong kmi ki seng Samla ki dorbar shnong kalong ka badon kambha bat kalong ka bakongsan banwanra ya ka jingkala. Ki program bapenya don benta ya ki Samla Youth Engagement Program kadai ka bakongsan baha nakabenta ki Samla ki badon bat ki bala ban pendon kam hakalenti ka badai laong mentri rangba ka sorkar klapen khaya ka corpus fund ba man la usnem nakabenta ban ai ka jingyarap da ka pisa sya ki seng Samla baper ki bladeb ban register ya lade om kum ki Samla ki club ki association ki syakri ban kamai pisa laya tu mentri rangba ka jala ki badon lang ki long u commissioner ka tanat sport and youth affair Dr. BJ Kumar bat ka deputy commissioner ka Iskasil district ka kong Isawanda lalu nalor ki dikot jong ki seng Samla baper ka Iskasil district ya ki jingtip ba khamnya lani yo ban apply ya ka ni ka song jingyara phila ban lej leng ba ka website www.yessmeghalaya.in.
We started forming farmers producer groups. Today we have 2,25,000 farmer families that are already connected to us. Our target is to touch 4.5 lakhs. We are engaging with them, encouraging them to form producer groups, getting the entire database with us so that tomorrow if you want to do any program like ginger mission, turmeric mission, dairy mission, poultry mission, piggery mission, which we are already doing, this network can then be used to simply access the database of the farmers and make sure that the program is implemented well. We've already distributed more than 120 crores to different farmer families through this program. Therefore, similarly, we realized that the youth are doing so many things in the grassroots. Before the youth, let me come to the communities out here. If you remember last year, we discussed with Shillong, Jowai and Tura only because it was a pilot project. We realized that the localities, the headmen of the localities were doing a lot of work. And we also realized that we never engaged with them except when we were in trouble. So whenever we were in trouble and we needed their help, we used to call them. Apart from them, there was no engagement with them. We forgot them when things were okay. So we thought that, well, let's do some program with them. And we realized the kind of society network and the hold they have at the grassroots level. We engaged with them. We called them and we said, let's do a beautification project. We will give you the money, you engage the youth, you engage your people, you beautify and clean your locality. And it was a huge success. We could not reach everywhere because the time was short, but in the short time we saw the kind of positive impact it had at the grassroots in terms of the encouragement it gave to the community leaders. But more importantly, we saw the difference in the activity. I don't shy away from saying this, that the same amount if we had spent through agencies and through government departments, I don't think we'd be able to create that kind of impact that we could by giving the money directly to the community.